everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ashley, and today I'll be trying two different techniques that I saw on TikTok that are supposed to help your ponytails look longer. Would love to hear what you think about them as I do them, so let me know in the comments. But without further ado, we'll go ahead and get started. Okay, so this is what my hair normally looks like when I put it in a ponytail. It is a little damp right now just because I need to put it in a ponytail again, and it's much easier to work with when it is damp, but this is what it typically will look like. And now I'm going to try technique number 1. So I'm going to take my hair down, and then I am going to pull half of my hair back into a ponytail. So I'm just going to take the top half of my hair and pull it up. And then after that, I'm going to take small sections of the bottom part from each side, and I'm going to pull that into the ponytail as well. Before I pull those sections in, I do just want to make sure the front looks okay. So I am going to brush it after I put the ponytail together, but I just want to make sure that the ponytail is at the right height and everything is looking good. And then I'm going to go ahead and pull those sections in so that everything is right in place while I'm doing that, and then I can add the hair tie. Okay, so I think everything is looking really good so far, and it does appear to be a little bit longer, I think. So now I'm going to just take 2 small sections from the ponytail on each side, and I'm going to take it underneath all of the hair, and I'm going to bobby pin that together with 2 bobby pins. And I'm just going to crisscross the 2 bobby pins across each other as they're going through the hair, so that it holds it in place, and this helps the ponytail to really flow together and look like it's one ponytail now. And that is it. I would love to hear what you all think, but I think this is a very simple way for your ponytail to look longer. I think it did work. And I love how my hair turned out. So the one side does look a little bit shorter just because I do have layers, but I think it worked out perfectly. So now we can go on to technique number 2. So for this one, I'm going to take this ponytail holder out, and I'm going to use 2 black ponytail holders. And the reason I'm using black is because it helps to hide the two ponytails that we are going to create today. So I'm going to use the thin ponytail holders, but I do recommend using silk ones if you have them available. I just didn't have any black silk ones, surprisingly, so I have to go ahead and purchase some of those. But we'll go ahead and get started. So I'm going to do a top ponytail, but for the top ponytail this time, I'm going to do a very low one, and I'm leaving the bottom sides of my hair out and pulling in even some of the bottom center pieces of hair into this ponytail. So I'm going to put it as low as I can, and then I'm going to take the sides that I left out, and I'm going to make a ponytail over this ponytail. Okay, so now that ponytail number 1 is done, I'm going to collect the hair that is left out, and I'm going to bring it together over the ponytail that we already have created. So I grabbed another black hair tie. As I mentioned before, you will need 2. And you can actually go a little bit higher than I'm going now, but now I'm just adding that ponytail holder right over the other ponytail. And if you go a little bit higher than I went, then it will make your hair look even longer. when it's in this ponytail. I think this added a tiny bit of length to my hair, but again, if you go a little bit higher, I think that will work so much better. But I would love to hear what you think about the two different techniques. Let me know in the comments. I'm just going to tidy up the front of my hair a little bit, but I think both worked a little bit. The first one in my mind worked a lot better, but I think both can definitely add some length to your hair. So again, let me know what you thought. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.